Welcome back to the Digital Transformation Canvas. I am Marc, the Digital Prof, and today I will take you into step number 4 of our digital transformation journey, the digital roadmap. We have seen in the previous episodes how there are two main workshop tools or strategy development tools which you can use to develop a digital strategy, a digital roadmap. First of all, the Digital Transformation Canvas, a lean and agile method that will quickly provide and produce results for your digital roadmap, or the more comprehensive Act, Analyze, Create, Transform method with 24 strategic questions for your organizations. Both, or as a standalone or together, will result in your digital roadmap. The digital roadmap will include your digital vision. Through conversations, you will define how you see your organization. What is your aspiration, your risk appetite? How much change do you want? And to which degree are you asking your employees to support you in order to achieve your digital strategy? And here is an example of such a digital vision from a small business in the traditional space, now moving more and more into digital technology. The digital roadmap will also include the key activities and initiatives and projects for your digital strategy. Finally, it includes an overview of all strategic initiatives and projects. All your initiatives and projects are grouped. They provide the main objective, goals, the tasks that need to be completed, the person or the team in charge, the budget, the metrics, and the milestones. Not only is this an important documentation for your organization of your digital strategy or digital roadmap, but it also is a change management tool. It allows you to guide the organization and use it as a dashboard to see if you're progressing or not. So use the digital roadmap and the progress charts using traffic lights, for instance, to showcase if you are on track. There is a free small business example available on the digitaltransformationcanvas.com website. Use the QR code to access the example of Alexandra's bike shop in London. That will give you an idea of how you could build such a digital plan for your organization. Step number 4, the digital roadmap, the documentation of your digital strategy. Further information is available in the brand new book, as endorsed by many academics and executives around the globe.